Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and today I'm doing a level 3 exercises for 1 month challenge split pose. So for those who are new here and haven't do my level 1 and level 2, please go and watch my video and exercise for the 2 weeks. And then after you complete the level 1 and level 2 exercises, you can continue with this level 3. We total have 4 levels to challenge our hamstring flexibility exercise. Those already complete the level 1 and level 2, I will give you a thumbs up here. And I believe that your hamstring flexibility have improved a lot. So for today's exercises, I think it will be easier for you. Have the problem that your hand and your foot always get cold. You can do these exercises or you can follow my other exercises until you boost your body immunity and you won't have this problem anymore. Sit on your mat and lengthen your both legs up, and then make sure you flat your foot to point your toes to you. Okay? Can see? Okay, so we stay here and do for 3 breaths. Inhale, straighten your both legs until you can lift your heels from the floor. Inhale, exhale, inhale again, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Slowly walk your both hands to the front and then catch your both toes. Okay, so we stay here, straighten your back, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, try to put your belly on the thigh. Okay, inhale again, exhale, inhale, you can feel your hamstring is stretching now, and slowly go lower until you can put your head on your legs. Okay, after you touch your leg, stay here. Make sure your leg is straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Slowly come back to the center. Okay, so the second exercise. Come back up. We're doing the side lunges. I believe you're doing this every day, right? Okay, so put your both hands on the chest and step to the side as wide as you can, and make sure your left leg is straight. This time we are going lower. Okay, and come back up and to the left for 1 minute. For those who want a slimmer type, this exercise will help to shape your leg a lot more. You can do it slow with your own speed as long as you feel the stretch. For those who want a slimmer type, this exercise will help to shape your leg a lot more. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the third exercise, we'll be doing wide leg hamstring stretch again. You open your leg wide. I believe you do this every day. And then you bend, lean your body to the floor. Make sure your hand press against the floor and go deeper as you can. So we do this for 1 minute. Continue breathing here. If you can, you just walk your hand to the back and try to pull a little deeper until you can feel your hamstring is pulling. Make sure your both leg is straight. sometimes you have to push yourself harder to go deeper, so your goal will be nearer to you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Slowly come back up. Okay, very good. Okay, so the next one, we're flying on the mat. Okay, and we're doing the wide leg abduction. So this one you haven't practiced before, but I think it's no problem for you. Just lying on the mat and then raise your both feet up, and we do it slow, okay? Inhale and open your leg to the side. Exhale, come back up. Okay, so let's do for 1 minute. Make sure your back, you don't arch your back, okay? Don't arch your back. You have to lie your back on the mat. Just your leg moving open and close. Open and close. Straighten your both legs, okay? Do it slow with your own speed. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale and exhale. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Okay, now hug your leg forward and roll your back. Okay, well done. So for the next one now, come back to your all four. Okay, come back to your all four. Make sure your hands in line with your shoulder and knee with your lift our hip to the ceiling. Stay here and feel the stretch at your down dog position. Okay, inhale, exhale, straighten your both legs. Make sure your hip is high enough. Inhale, exhale, inhale again, and exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Step your right foot to the front, in between your hand. Okay? So make sure your knee is not over your toes. Must be a straight line with your foot. Okay? And then we stay here. Inhale. Make sure your finger relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale. Make sure your back leg is not pointed outward. Okay? Have to be straight line at the back. And then now, try to catch your back foot and put on your hip. Okay, can you feel the stretch? I believe you can feel the stretch here. It's very good exercise, okay? So we stay here, pressing down a little more. Okay, we stay here for 10 breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, so now come to lizard pose. You can open. This one help you to open a little more your hamstring. Line your forearm on the floor and use your back toes to push up your knee. Okay? And lift your knee up from the floor. So we stay here for 10 breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Release. Okay, relax over. Okay, come back to all four and relax yourself. Okay, so now let's do the other side. Ready? Stand on your toes and raise your hip up. Okay, stay here for another 10 breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step your left foot to the front, in between your hand. Okay, make sure it's straight. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Pull your back leg to touch your hip. Okay, so we stay here for 10 breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, lie your forearm on the mat. Lift your knee. Okay, stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Relax. Okay, come back to cow pose. Relax for about 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit on your mat with your butterfly leg. Okay, stay here. If you can put your foot near to your hip to relax our hip muscles. Inhale, exhale, inhale again. When you exhale, slowly walk your both hands to the front. If you can, just lie your head on the floor. Okay? If cannot, you just hold at the halfway. Okay? Inhale, exhale, and slowly walk in front. Inhale, exhale, inhale again, exhale, inhale, exhale down, inhale again, lie your hand on the floor. Okay, try to touch your head to the toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Come back up. And now open your leg to both sides. Okay. Inhale. Okay, shake your leg a little to let it open up. Okay, inhale, exhale. Inhale again. Okay, slowly walk to the front a little. Put your forearm on the floor and we stay here with your back straight. Okay, your toes must be flat. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, feeling your hamstring stretching. It's very yummy. Again, inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you can go deeper, just walk your hand to the front. If you cannot, you can put a pillow and lie on your pillow. Okay? Go further down and stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Slowly come back up. Okay, well done. And shake your leg to the front. Okay, relax your both legs. Okay, now massage a little. Okay, well done. So come back lying on the mat. Okay. And then slowly raise your right leg up, holding your calf. Inhale, exhale. We're doing the spine stretch. If you feel your hamstring is tight, then you just stay here. If you can go lower, then you continue stretching your leg towards you. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale. Make sure your hip is square. Don't rock your body to one side. Okay, inhale, exhale, pull a little down more until your maximum and stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, relax. Okay, take a rest. Shake your both legs, roll on the mat. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Inhale another side. Hold your left calf and stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly pull down towards you. Keep on breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, stay to the maximum. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. So relax and roll your both legs on the mat. Okay guys, it's the last exercise of the day. So fast, right? So this exercise you have to lengthen your right leg and open up your left leg as far as you can. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So slowly walk your hand to the front and relax yourself on the leg. If you cannot relax here, you just straighten up your back. Okay? So just relax here for 10 breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Come back up. Change to the other side. Okay. Relax here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Walk to the front. Relax yourself on your leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Come back up. Hey guys. So I hope you like my video today. You can share with your friends to do it together, to take this challenge together. And also, you can ask your family to join too. Next week I will be release my final video for the 1 month split challenge. So I think that some of you maybe now you already can do a split pose, and you leave a comment to me. Okay, so I'll see you again next week. Thank you.